Hi, I'm Ryan, and this is my desk setup. Start off, we'll introduce you to my cat. This is Newbie. You can hear him purring. He loves being held, and he loves that I sit on the floor, which I do all day. And this is Alfie. He's my bunny rabbit. He's posted up right now pretty hard, so I'll leave him. But let's get into the setup. This right here, to start off, the bread and butter, the desk. It's an electric floor to standing desk, so I can sit on the floor, I can sit in a regular chair, and I can stand using this desk. I've been using this for 6 months-ish, something like that, and I absolutely love it. This desk is great, not only because it allows me to sit, floor sit, and stand, but it also allows me to move around freely throughout the day when I'm on the floor, so I'm never stuck in one position for hours at a time, which is hurting my posture and making me feel super stiff. This is my floor seat, which I've been using. It's a meditation cushion with like a floor pad. But yeah, got this on Amazon, been using it for about 6 months. It's great for floor sitting, and it's perfect for this desk. So that's the floor setup. This is my keyboard. It's a split keyboard. As you can see, I've been using a split keyboard for a long time. And I actually made an entire video diving into exactly why I love a split keyboard so much. Click up in the corner to check that out. And then I have a wrist pad, which I cut in half, so it aligns with the split keyboard. Both of these are on Amazon. Once again, we'll link in the description. This right here is a vertical mouse. Also, as you might expect, Amazon helps prevent carpal tunnel, and it's also just a lot more comfortable. All of these are on top of this felt pad, also Amazon. Looks really aesthetic, but unfortunately it gets covered in hair by Newbie because he sits on it all the time. The rest of the desk, I like to keep it clean, as I mentioned, pretty much nothing on it all the time. That's how I like it. These two coasters from IKEA, which I absolutely love, came in a set of 2. And then on top of this coaster, I have my tea mug, which allows me to make loose leaf tea. Just got this at a local tea shop, so can't really link that one in the description, but there's plenty of them on Amazon and elsewhere. Then we have this other coaster, and on top of that, just in a wall, the water bottle, which I love. Keep this with me at all times, stay hydrated throughout the day. We got a mount for my laptop, got that on Amazon as well. It's an extra tall, so it allows my neck to be at the proper height while I'm seated. This is an extra tall monitor mount because most of the monitor mounts I've tried before didn't go high enough, so my neck would be looking down. So I got an extra tall one so that my neck is aligned with the rest of my body and I don't have to lean forward to look at that stuff. If we look under the desk, cable management box just helps keep the bottom of the desk a little more organized. You can't see that unless you're looking under the desk. Over here, some fake plants from IKEA on these little cork boards, also from IKEA. And then this is called the Alex. It's just like a drawer from IKEA. This is where I keep all my stuff next to my desk and I can reach it really easily. Alfie likes to chill right there, which is inconvenient for my bottom drawer, but he likes it, so it's chill. And then this is another IKEA chair. This is what I sit in. Live subscriber count right here, 39.2, trying to get to 40, so hit that sub button. And then down here, my lockbox. This is where I keep my phone all the time. I have a charger inside of it. I try to keep my phone locked in the box for at least 6 hours a day to allow me to get into deeper states of focus. I found that it's one of the most impactful things I've done for my productivity. And then just got some books and another IKEA light. Hopefully you found this video interesting or entertaining. Maybe it's gonna help you improve your desk setup. If you enjoyed this video, I also made a video about how to declutter your life one time forever. Click here to check that out. Or you can watch this video about how I sat on the floor for the past 3 years and what that did to my body. Click here to check that out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And peace.